Hey everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this video is about changing out a valve stem, the whole thing, from a cart. This is a Polar cart, P-O-L-A-R, and well, this is not good, right? So let's take a look and see what's going on here. But anyways, I'm going to have to change both of them, and both of these have the valve stem in them. Let me, if I can pick this up, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. This is the air inlet valve stem thing. The air already in there. Now, if you have the tool for it, you put these in and you twist them in and screw them down. And that's the top part that sticks. And that little plunger there, that's the thing we push to let the air out of our tires and stuff. It's also the thing that has to be depressed to get air into our tires. So like I was saying, it doesn't cost too much to have somebody do this for you, but it is a pain in the neck. So this part here is going to have to be removed, or it can be pushed in on this side. Either which way, doesn't really matter. There we go. So I ripped that one right out, is what it is. And they do appear to be pretty much exactly the same thing. They go on from the inside, though. You can't take them off on the inside from the outside. You can't take them off from the outside. You have to get inside. So after I get this one in, I will show you what I did to get this in. All right, so let's talk about our friend on YouTube for a second. And that's anybody can help you solve a problem and you don't need to spend a bunch of money for. This valve, let's talk about this. So the valve I got in from the out, so you have to go in on the inside and put it in and then pull it through until it's properly seated all the way around in here. That's what's going to keep the air in the tire. But the magic was here with this tool right here. We let this out and we can pull it off. And now what we want the tire to do is get back into shape all around the rim. And now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get some air into this tire so it'll pop back up. So let me try that and see what goes down with that. All right, so that wraps that up for getting these new valve stems in here, and these should hold up for a bit. I've had the cart for a number of years. I think I got it in 2018, maybe 2019 at the latest, and so that's pretty good there. And let's check this one. Yeah, that's pretty good as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera out behind the house and show you how I put these babies back on. That's the easy part. So let's check this out. All right, let's open. Okay, we can see the shaft here for the tire, right? So the tire and the wheel and all that. Basically, we have a slip pin that goes in, and there's another washer that goes on. There's a washer on the inside here too. So making sure that washer's in place. Slide the wheel on. Put the other washer. Oh, get it all the way on. Put the other washer on, and we should be cooking with gas. This just slides on right through the hole. There's a hole there. Snaps down. Now comes the fun part. I get to flip this whole thing over, and it's really the only way to do it. Okay, let's move the camera here so you can watch the mayhem. All right. So here we go. Up. You find the balance point here, and then I keep it pulling towards me and just hold it up. And there we go. All right, and then basically I tow this thing around my zero-turn mower. I go around and pick up yard debris and then bring it over to our burn pits. We have two of them going right now. One of them is a tree stump out there. That far side of the pole has a burn pit behind it. There's a big stump there. And I make a fire pit on the stump, and then the stump over time gets burned up. And otherwise, you can sit there and pay somebody to come out there and remove your stumps. So anyway, so that's it with the Polar cart. We changed the valve stems and put the wheels back on. So imagine that me flipping the thing over in the first place. I had to flip my cart over the first place so I get the wheels off easily, and then it's super easy to put them back on. It just takes a few seconds. It's like, if only our cars could be that smooth. Anyways, all right, so that's going to be it for me. Ray Hayden, give me a thumbs up, like the video, make a comment below, let me know you came by to say hi. And if you haven't already done so, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network, and it's what keeps us smaller channels on YouTube alive. All right, so until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.